Hello dear students, hope you all are keeping well. I'm Richa Raghuwanshi, your drawing and craft teacher, and today I welcome you to the world of drawing. Before this video, we have met in the month of April through a Spandan video only, children, where I have shared few basics of drawing with you. Hope you all have seen that video and practicing lines every day for 5 minutes. If you haven't started as yet, please start it. Okay. Alright. So today we are going to start with the syllabus. The syllabus is available on school's website. Month-wise, all the drawings are categorized there. So you can download the syllabus from the school website only. Do ask your parents to download it today itself and keep a copy with you so that everything will be clear to you and your parents. Okay, let us start. But before we begin with the drawing, let me clarify a few things to you. See, though I have explained it earlier also in the WhatsApp group, but now again I'm explaining it for your convenience. See, these are the two books which we are going to use this time for the whole year. Okay, ये दोनों books हम लोग पूरे साल में use करने वाले हैं. So, which book we are going to use first and which book we will be using later on? See, this is the book called Art Plus, and this book we are going to use first. Till the month of September, we will be doing drawing and we will make craft work from this book. Okay? Is it clear? Till the month of September, we will be using this book only. The name of the book is Art Plus. Okay? Now, if you see this book, it's like a box. And once you open the box, you will find the book inside it. Okay, and along with the book, this plastic bag is also given, which is having the craft material, which you are supposed to stick inside the book at the defined places. But one thing you need to remember, that we are not going to stick anything inside the book. Now again I'm repeating, कोई भी stick करने का material हम इस book के अंदर किसी भी पेज पर stick नहीं करने वाले हैं. Because if we'll stick, suppose on this page, it will be difficult for us to make the drawing over here. Okay, at the back side. So it is better not to stick the material anywhere inside this book. We'll use that material separately to make other craft works. Okay, now, so this is about this book, and one more book is there called Creative Art and Craft. This Creative Art and Craft book is for semester 2. It is of no use for now till the month of September. Once we'll finish the first book, Art Plus, we'll start with this book. From the beginning of October only, we'll start with this book. So for now, ask your mama to keep the book safely with her. Do not touch this book till the month of September. Okay, again I'll repeat, do not make any drawing inside it. Do not color any drawing. Do not do any work inside this book. Keep it safely as it is. Okay, let us start with the syllabus now. Children, in the month of May, I have given you holiday homework, right? And which drawing I have given as holiday homework? It was just about coloring only. You need not to draw the drawing, but you have to color this drawing. Can you see this drawing and identify it? The name of the drawing is Knowing Colors. In this snail shape, the colors were already given. In this place, you were supposed to fill orange color, here blue, then yellow, green, again orange, purple, then this is blank, and here black color. So everything was defined. You were only asked to fill colors. Hope you have done this. If you haven't done this also, please finish it as soon as possible. Okay, today itself. Alright. So today let us start with a new drawing. Okay. Now I hope you all are having book first of all. And if you have book, open page number 6. The name of the drawing is birds. We are going to make colorful and beautiful birds today. We are going to start with something very beautiful. Beautiful friends of humans, right? Birds are beautiful friends of us. Okay. So you have to open page number 6. And the name of the drawing is birds. Now how to make the bird? First of all, we'll see, as you can see on the left hand side of the book, in 3 steps it is given how to make a bird. How to make a bird out of a circle. We'll first make a circle and then we'll include few curved lines and then few straight slant lines, and then the bird will be ready. So let us start with this drawing only. First we'll see how to make a bird. Then we'll make a branch of the tree and we'll make few friends of the bird also. Okay. So let me show you first how to make a bird. First we'll start, as I said, with a circle. And if it is difficult for you to make a circle shape, what will you do? It can easily be made by writing down C, English letter C. I hope everyone knows how to make C. Now in front of this C, you have to write one more C and then match both the C's. Right? So the circle will be ready. Okay. Now once the circle will get ready, we'll take, from here we'll take a curved line up first and then down. It should not be too curved. What we usually do, we make a curved line like this, but here we need not to make a deep curve, but from here we make a smooth curve. Okay, till here we'll take the line up, then slowly we'll take it down. First what we'll do, first we'll take the line up and then slowly more here up. This is the peak point. From here we'll start taking it down and we'll take it down till here. Okay. So this is how we can make a curved line. Okay. Now one more curved line we'll be needing from here, from the middle point here. We'll take a deep curve now. We'll make a deep curve. We'll take a line curve till here. We'll take it down and then we'll start taking it out and nudge it with this. So this is how we can make this shape. You can see this line is looking as half moon. So half moon shape we have to make. Okay. Now here eyes we have to make. This is the body and this is the face of the bird. Okay. These are the 2 parts of the body of the bird. This is the face and this is the backside body. So here on the face, where the eyes have to be made? In front, right? So in front we'll make eye, one eye only. Why one eye and not both the eyes? Because this is the side face of the bird. Okay, what is the difference between side face and front face? See, if I'm standing like this, you can see my front face. Okay, and if I turn to one side, either right or the left, you will be able to see only one side. In that case, you will be able to see only one eye. Okay, if I stand straight, you'll be able to see both the eyes. But if I turn to one side, either right or the left, you'll be able to see only one eye. So this is called side face. When I turn to a side, it is called, and the area which is visible of my face, that area of my face will be side face. Okay. Similarly, this bird, it is not sitting straight. It is looking to the right hand side. So only one eye will be visible. That's why we are making one eye only. Okay. And here we'll make the beak. Beak has to be there. Otherwise, how will it speak? Right? So we'll make beak. First, one slant line we'll make. Then from here, one more slant line. So it is like a triangle shape. But we need not to make sharp corner here. So we'll make a little portion and we'll add both of them. Both the lines we'll match with the help of a curved line. Okay. So the beak is also ready. Now tail, which is very important part. None of you is having tail now. But birds are having tail. We are humans, so we are not having tails. Birds, monkeys, everybody is having a tail. So we'll make a nice, beautiful tail. How we'll make? We'll make two lines near to each other and we'll match them by making one sleeping line over here. Okay. Wings have to be there. Birds are having wings. So this bird should have wings, otherwise how will it fly? So how will we make the wings? We just need to make a curved line. That's it. And it will show the wings. Now the necklace. You all are wearing eye cards, right? When you go to school. So this bird is also going to school. So it is wearing an eye card. Okay. So this is the string of the eye card. As I am wearing an eye card in my neck, this bird is also wearing an eye card. Okay. Or whenever you go to a party, what do you do? Dress up nicely and then wear a nice necklace. So when you will go to party, wear a nice necklace you wear. Similarly, here the bird is wearing a necklace. You can consider that also. Okay. Now legs, two straight lines and just a little bit up from this bottom point, I make a triangle shape. Okay, here and here. Because birds are having 3 fingers only. The foot. Okay, as we are having 5 fingers in our foot, they are having 3 fingers. Okay, so is it clear? Hope now you are able to make the bird. But it is not over as yet, because how will it do? How will it sit quietly? This will get bored, na? So this bird also, this bird also needs some friends. So let's make the friends also and let them sit together. Okay, and where they are going to sit? Not on a sofa. Where they are going to sit? On a branch, tree branch. Okay, so now let us make a tree branch and few friends of this bird who came to meet this bird. Okay, so first we'll make branch of a tree. Now this is going up and then down, and from here one more branch. See, children, in the book you need not to draw this tree branch because it is already drawn. As you can see in the book, it is already drawn, and the shape of the body of the bird is also given to you, but the lines are very light. So what you have to do is, you need to simply move your pencil over these light given lines to make them dark. Okay, and remember, do not use sketch pens or crayons. You have to use only pencil colors, because nothing else than pencil colors are allowed in our school. So we are going to make everything with the pencil colors only. So first I'll show you few birds which are sitting here. I'll first draw. By the time I'll draw, you look at it and you also try step by step to draw the birds. For example, I am making small size birds over here. Okay. One bird I am making here. This bird is sitting here. This one, and one more friend of it has come. Okay, so the friend is sitting. The friend is sitting in front and talking to him. Okay, these are the two birds sitting next to each other, and here are few leaves which are there in the tree. I am making 3 leaves only. You can make more when you will practice it in the rough copy. But 3 are more than enough, I think. Okay. So let us make few leaves. Alright, let us make few leaves. Now here also I will make a bunch of leaves. Okay. So 2 birds are sitting up. They are incomplete now. I haven't completed because I want to show you the picture as it is given in the book. What you have to do exactly, that I want to explain. That's why I am making the picture as it is given in the book. Okay, now here in the book, the bird which is complete is given to you. Alright? This book is given, this bird is given complete in all respect, colored also, everything is complete, right? 3 are incomplete. Okay, so we'll complete these 3 first. Now this is looking at this side, and now this bird is sitting here. So as I said, as I explained earlier also, what we'll do, we make this bird look at this one because it is talking to this bird. Okay, so we'll make the eyes here and the beak here. Okay, both the friends are looking at each other and talking. As you keep on talking in the class, when you meet your friends, you sit with them on the same bench and you talk to them. Similarly, the birds are also talking. Birds are also talkative like you only. Okay, so these are the wings and we'll make the necklace. Okay, now here what I'll do, I'll make the beak first of this bird. Now this bird is looking at this one, so I'll make a beak over here also. Let them look at each other. As they are looking at each other, ये दोनों एक दूसरे के सामने, ऐसे ये दोनों भी एक दूसरे के सामने बैठे हो, तो एक दूसरे को देख के बातें करें. ठीक है? Now these are the legs. ये necklace बन गया. Or eye card. ठीक है? If they go to school, they wear eye card. If they are going to party, they wear the necklace. Now wings and nice tail at the back. Similarly on this bird also. legs with 3 fingers, a necklace, wings, and the tail. Now you know why I was asking you in my first video to practice for lines. So that whenever you need, you can make the line of any shape, whether it's a curved line or a slant line, sleeping, standing, whichever it is. Okay, so now also you have lot of time. You can give simply 5 minutes for practicing for lines. So do start it. Okay, so now this much is complete. Now what you have to do, children? Here, see. In this bird, which is complete, this one, which colors are given? The body, the dress. Which color dress it is wearing? Blue. Necklace is pink. Face. On the face it has done makeup. Which color makeup? Pink color. On the beak, which color lipstick it is wearing? Yellow. The tail again is pink. So you can also replicate the same color combination. You can use here, here and here. Okay, in all the 3 birds also. Or if you want, you can change the color. I'll show you how you can change. I'll give you one example of that. See, if you don't want to make yellow color, if you don't want to fill in the beak, how you can use the yellow color? You can use it in the body. And how to color, how to start coloring, that is also very important, the technique. So first you take the color pencil, and if you want to color this area with yellow color, suppose, so first make outline with the color. First make outline with that color pencil. Okay, and then start moving the pencil in a particular way, left, right, in one direction only, like the soldiers. When they walk, they look beautiful now. Your drawing will also look beautiful if you move the pencil properly, left, right. Now this area is big, so what I am doing, I am taking this much only, this area. यहीं तक मैं पहले इतने एरिया में लेफ्ट राइट मूव करूँगी पेंसिल को. Now this area is left. अब मैं यहाँ से left right move करूँगी. But don't change the direction of the pencil. Okay. Don't change the direction of the pencil. नहीं तो क्या होता है, कैसे नजर आता है फिर? जैसे मैंने येलो रेड कलर लिया और रेड कलर मैंने यहाँ करना शुरू किया. मैं क्या अगर ऐसे कलर करूँगी तो कैसे होता है? इधर जाता है, कभी उधर जाता है, कभी इधर जाने लगते हैं. कभी भोपाल आ गए, कभी दिल्ली चले गए, कभी मुंबई पहुंच गए, और स्कूल चले गए, कभी स्कूल से मॉल चले गए. ऐसे थोड़ी ना जाते हैं. एक बार स्कूल जाते हैं तो स्कूल में रहते हैं, है ना. फिर जब घर आ जाते हैं उसके बाद थोड़ी देर घर में रुकते हैं, फिर मम्मा पापा के साथ जाते हैं मॉल. सो whatever we are doing, we have to follow one particular thing only. Now here one particular direction we are following, left right. So move your pencil in one direction while coloring. ठीक है. And do not put pressure on the pencil. पेंसिल को ऐसे दबा कर नहीं यूज़ करना है. कैसे यूज़ करना है? बहुत लाइटली मूव करना है, बहुत प्यार से, ऐसे बहुत धीरे धीरे मूव करना है. ठीक है. कोई ऐसे बहुत प्रेशर लगा कर नहीं मूव करना है. ठीक है ना. ओके. एंड नाउ here you can use this red color. Again, first make the outline, the necklace, and then move it left right. Okay. Similarly, you can use this red color here, and in the beak, red color lipstick you can use. In the face you can use blue color. So you can use any color, or orange color, or if you want you can use green color or any other color, whichever you like. Or pink color looks very nice, so pink color also you can use. So whichever color you want you can use in the dress, in the necklace, but use the same color in necklace and the tail. or if you are making this with a different color face, use this same color which you are using on the face in the tail. Why? Because we need to make balancing of colors. आपने देखा है तराजू, कभी सब्जी वाले को देखा है कैसे होता है? तराजू हमेशा एक बराबर रहना चाहिए, ऐसे ऊपर नीचे नहीं जाना चाहिए. आप और आपके फ्रेंड कैसे होते हैं? हाइट में ऑलमोस्ट एक बराबर होते हैं, तब तो अच्छा लगता है ना. ऐसे थोड़ी होता है एक इतना ऊपर, फिफ्थ वाली दीदी हो गई और एक तुम हो गए, फिर दोनों एक साथ बैठोगे तो दीदी आगे बैठ गई तो तुम्हें दिखेगा नहीं. सब ऑलमोस्ट छोटा, थोड़ा बहुत इधर उधर होता है. तो हम क्या करते हैं, एक आगे जो बैठा है उसी हाइट का एक पीछे होना चाहिए, तभी तो उसको सामने तक दिखेगा. ऐसे कलर में एक अगर हमने आगे यूज़ किया तो उसको हम पीछे भी यूज़ करते हैं. दिस इज कॉल्ड बैलेंसिंग. ठीक है, हम हमेशा बैलेंस करके चलते हैं. सो आप यहाँ जो भी कलर यूज़ करेंगे वो आप यहाँ भी यूज़ करेंगे. ठीक है, and in lipstick you can use any color in dress and this. All right, so this much you have to do in all the 3 birds. You can fill any color of your choice, any color, make them as colorful as you can. Use your favorite colors. This I'm leaving up to you only. And what is this? Branch of the tree. This is blank in the book. See, leaves are colored with the green color, but the branch is not colored, it is given blank only. So what will you do? Which color will you fill in the branch, tree branch? It has to be brown color. Which color you have to use? Brown color. So children, do make this drawing today only. Finish it and try to do neat work. Remember, always remember one thing. If you are doing the work slowly and neatly, no matter how you are drawing, how you are making the drawing, whether your lines are perfect or not, believe me, they will look beautiful once you will make them slowly, nicely, with patience, and you will fill colors properly. Okay, so try to do neat work. Help your parents at home. Do take care of yourself. And till the next video, goodbye and God bless you from myself.